Alrighty guys, today is October 11th, 2020, and we're here in LaPorte, Indiana. That is the old LaPorte Hospital, which that place is going to become starting on October 24th in 2020, new LaPorte Hospital, which is now Northwest Health. So let's go and see inside and see what kind of elevators they have in here. Alrighty guys, these are the public elevators here at the Northwest Health here in Porte, Indiana. And looks like we have Schindler 5500s here. Yep, it's a 5500. This is second generation. And yes, they're a mile.
You want to ride the other one too?
It's turned off.
You want to send it up?
Going upstairs again. These are nice elevators. Kinda knew what to go in 5500s, but I was not expecting the VR kind of 5500s.
We hit one and go down?
Let's ring the chime. Okay, whatever. See?
Can we press one in there?
Let me press one. But yeah, this is a brand new place. So there's a nice view of the hospital's down the road there. The other one's not on.
It's not.
See, it's still work in progress. But we get to hear the chimes at least. Here we go. I gotta say, these are nice elevators. First time I was sitting in these interesting buttons here. These are band resistant. Floor one. These are nice elevators. And there she is. And I guess that is going to be it for me. Alrighty guys, this is a staff elevator here at Northwest Health here in Porte, Indiana. Got another 5500 to drive. And yes, we're going now.
This one goes all the way to 5.
Okay.
If you want.
See, I can use that thing.
Maybe on the way down we'll pick the girls up.
Yeah. Very nice and quick. See, there's 5.
Let's go down and get Mama.
favorite thing to show people.
Yeah, cool. There you go.
So-
A little peeking there.
So you'll see feet around the hospital, and it's the path. So orange is ICU, so that's the path that ICU patients will take to
Okay.
come from there to here.
Gotcha. All right, so you want to go on the helipad?
Sure.
Pretty cool.
Indeed it is.
Here over again. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Oh, there's a paint can there. Sorry. I think I can. I didn't. That was on there.
Oh, there we go.
That's good. We can get through. Oh wow. They're finishing this stairwell.
This is completely nuts, man.
Can we go out on the helipad?
Yeah, you can. I was gonna make sure no one was afraid of heights, but
We're going on the helipad, too.
Oh yeah, we will.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh yes, it is. As you can tell, there's the old hospital right there, with a lot of additions being built to the building.
so this is the international "Do Not Land Here" sign. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt. That's interesting.
And that's why they're the helicopter thing, so people don't come here and accidentally land to here.
Yep.
So you can see our old one just over the way. Or current one, I should say.
Yeah, see the current one over there?
Yeah. This is completely nuts, man. There's the bridge. There's the jail right over there. So yeah, this is a pretty nice view. So, see if I can hear the train.
All right, Jim, what do you think?
There's the train. Alright, there goes the train going by. And there's the nice, lovely elevator shaft.
They're up here painting. Right.
What?
There, I was here last.
Huh?
Oh, he's gonna do it.
Oh, you're going to film it? Okay, I didn't know.
And there's the elevator here, and let's go ahead and call it here.
There we go. Come on.
JD, you like old elevators?
I like old elevators and new ones. Personally, I like the newer ones just
The new
because,
ones.
you know, they're a little bit more accessible for me.
Gotcha. That's what I was saying. We got some old ones next door.
He's filmed all those.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
All right.
Go ahead. Yeah, that is the quote-unquote staff elevator in the back of the building. I guess that is going to be it for me. Alrighty, these are the other staff elevators here at the Northwest Health here in Porte, Indiana. Not sure which one will come because both of them seem to be on.
10 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So before they get on that elevator. Now we need to open up on both sides.
Okay.
Depending on the floor.
This is cool. This is interesting. Let's go to 4. I love the door operator sound.
Elevator is going down.
They go down to 1. very tall cabs, you can see. For a new Schindler install, they run actually pretty well.
Okay, see here. So,
Elevator is going up.
I grew up here.
Now we're gonna send this one downstairs.
Elevator is going down.
Oh, look at that room right there.
Where? Oh, elevator control room.
Across the hall.
Yeah. So there might be. No, they're not MRL though. So they're definitely not MRL. They might be machine room. This one has the padding.
Elevator is going down.
On the one.
Floor 1.
Floor one.
Arizona, Arizona in Tucson, it's the university, yeah.
Elevator is going
And
up.
then, where it goes up.
These are very nice elevators for this hospital.
Sure are.
Elevator is going down.
Anyway, there's the indicator.
We get out when we get down.
Yep.
Okay.
Those are your buttons there. They're, I think, band resistant for the 5500 models.
Floor 1.
Floor one.
What is that screensaver? Well, he started in business and just absolutely hated it and then changed.
There it goes.
So
And there's a
so
step
he's
elevators.
football down in Lafayette.
And I guess that is going to be it.